Hey guys, I'm playing some Lego Batman. I'm going to be showing you how to get the it's a plane achievement. Now what you want to do is you want to pick the level called Face Off, right? And then you just stand here. Well, I'll just show you what to do. Robin will level you up. This is not how you get it. Now, did I run over Robin? And just turn into Magnet Man Robin and come over to this corner. Right? Pull this lever so Batman can come up. Oh, right. Sorry it's hard to me to pull these bars with Fly Batman, but it's possible, so. Because he usually just flies off. Right, here. Batman, if you jump off, I'll kill you. No! I'm just gonna pause it for you guys. I made it to the top. Now what you want to do? Just go right to Fly Batman if you want. Make Robin, come on. Alright. Alright, what you want to do is elevate to the top. Should start up. Once you get to the very top, just jump off and start to glide, kind of towards the rightish along this building. And you will get the achievement right about now. I've already got it, so he's glided for more than 9 seconds. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And now I'm just going to end it off on some motorcycle riding. Ah!